Hello and welcome back. If you're first time joining me, my name is Hun. Welcome. This morning I'm going to take you to the store and show you how I buy coffee beans from the store. As you can see, you have a lot of choices comes to buying coffee. You could spend $15 on Stumptown. They're wonderful coffee as well. We got Death Wish coffee. We are almost $20 on that. We got, we got Dunkin' Donuts for around $5 or $6. And I ended up going with their Blondie Roast Veranda blend. I heard great things about it from my viewers, so plus it's only $7.99. So let's try that this morning. Let's open up the back. So let's take a look. Okay, so they say this is Blondie roast. They look like more like medium roast to me. I hoping a little lighter than this, but looks good wise. But as you can see from the beans, the quality of beans is not as good as the local roasters because it's somewhat uneven. You see there, the beans are imperfect. I know we're not looking for perfect beans, but still they are all pretty lame. We are going to do a simple recipe. I'm going to do 1-to-2 ratio. I got 17 gram in and 34 gram out between 20 and 30 seconds. So I got my scale and let's pour the shot. I got the 35 gram out, but you know what? It's way too fast. But I mean, it still looks decent. I hate to waste the coffee, so I'm just gonna let it sit there. And we're gonna do one more shot, okay? We're gonna do one more time, and I'm gonna adjust grinder size, a little more finer. Cheers. Yeah, it's sour. I'll be right back with another shot. As you can see, I got timed out, okay? I mean, spent more than a minute. I only extract 30 gram. So I think, you know what? I think my pump is not strong enough to push that pressure. I mean, as you can see from the pressure wise, you're looking at between 12 and 1 o'clock range there, not even. my Barista Express at home, man, that really pushes through. But unfortunately, my infuser is not. So I have to adjust. I have to adjust the grinder size to get the right output, or I have to replace the pump. But thing is, I already ordered the pump, so I should have by tomorrow. So, but meantime, so let's try this anyway. About 30-gram output there. Cheers. You know what? It's not bad. Even though it's not sour, so it's more like a little bitter side. But overall, I mean, I have to say, it's a lot better than their dark roast blend for sure. So if you haven't tried their blondie roast, definitely give it a shot, okay? It's not bad. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to follow me on the Instagram as well, and see you guys next time.